Hi, hello, and welcome to DriveSpark. And we are here today with the BMW G310R. Now, let's take a good look at the bike. Well, it's not like it's a strange bike to the Indian market, but here goes the BMW G310R. It has been years in the making. Even though it was being produced in India, it was still a stranger to the Indian market, as BMW was just exporting this motorcycle to the European market. And finally, it was launched in India last month, and we have ridden this motorcycle today. Well, how does it feel? In a few words, briefly put, it is a hooligan in a tuxedo. It looks brilliant, the paint quality is top notch, especially in this color tone. It looks the best. But then, underneath is the character of a hooligan. It is powered by a 313cc single cylinder DOHC liquid cooled engine with a power output of 34 bhp and a maximum torque output of 28 Nm. Now, that doesn't sound like much initially, but then it is a lot once you get the throttle going. Now, this is an engine which is happy at full jack. It revs clean all the way to the red line. But there is a slight niggle which some might find irritating, but some might find very entertaining. That is the clutch. Well, low end torque on this engine is just absent. It like it isn't there. So what happens is you end up holding on to this lever much more than you would want to. So you're basically revving the bike and letting go of the clutch more often than you would want to. That might be entertaining for some, as it kind of looks like you're preparing for a drag launch, but could be irritating for some as well. Other than that, once you're done with the clutch part and you're completely on the throttle here, that is when you start to enjoy the characteristics of this bike. Ride is good, suspension is too good, and brakes are by far the best in its class. BMW has launched this motorcycle at rupees 2.99 lakh ex-showroom, and it is available at a BMW Motorrad dealership near you. Yes, it is produced by TVS Motors, but servicing is taken care of by BMW Motorrad, so you can bet on the longevity of this bike, as it would be worked on by excellent engineers in the most German way possible. The instrument cluster is not something you would expect on an expensive motorcycle like this, but it does have quite a few features, although it isn't an LCD like most motorcycles that are setting the bar in this segment. Well, it is starting to pour here at the BMW facility in Gurgaon. But do stay tuned to DriveSpark, as we would be bringing to you the full review of the BMW G310R very soon, both in video and in written formats. Also, do look forward to brilliant pictures. If you're looking for wallpapers of this motorcycle, well, it is coming your way. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to DriveSpark, and we'll be back very soon, as there is yet another motorcycle that we want to show you before we get out for the day, and that is the G310R's adventure sibling, the G310 GS. Stay tuned to DriveSpark. Thanks for watching.